Smart bidding combines an exclusive set of signals to set real-time bids for each and every auction to help you achieve your business objectives. In this video, you'll learn how to choose a bidding strategy and optimize your campaigns with smart bidding. First, let's go over the different bidding strategies based on business goals. Maximize conversions drives as many conversions as possible within your set budget. On the other hand, the newly launched Maximize Conversion Value for search helps you drive as much conversion value as possible within your budget. Both bidding strategies are best for advertisers who don't have a target CPA or ROAS in mind and don't require any conversion data to get started. Target CPA will set bids to help you get as many conversions as possible at or below your target cost per action, while Target ROAS will drive the highest conversion value possible while achieving your target return on ad spend. Both bidding strategies are a good fit for advertisers who want to achieve a certain target. Keep in mind that Target ROAS for search and display campaigns requires a minimum of 15 conversions in the last 30 days. For smart shopping campaigns, there's no conversion minimum requirement to use Target ROAS. Now, it's time to set yourself up for success by following these campaign best practices. Confirm that the right conversions have been included in the conversions column by checking the conversion action page in your account. This is important since smart bidding will optimize your campaign based on these conversions. Add first-party audience lists to each campaign, like RLSA, Customer Match, and similar audiences, to reach customers who are already interested in your business. Use broad match as the keyword match type to expand the scope of search queries. Try a portfolio bidding strategy if your campaigns have similar goals or low conversion volume in order to drive budget optimizations. When evaluating performance, don't forget to look at the portfolio level instead of the campaign level. Use data-driven attribution, or, if not eligible, use non-last click attribution to let smart bidding accurately assess the different touch points throughout the customer journey. Once your campaigns are up and running, you can analyze how key metrics have performed through the bid strategy report. Now, let's go over some tips to help you grow your conversion volume and conversion value. If you're using Maximize Conversions or Maximize Conversion Value, you can get more conversions or conversion value by increasing your budgets or broadening your campaign targeting. If your target CPA or target ROAS campaign is budget constrained, think about increasing budgets to capture the full opportunity while still achieving your targets. If your target CPA or target ROAS campaign is achieving your goals and not budget constrained, you can optimize your campaigns by relaxing your targets and/or broadening your targeting. You can broaden your targeting by adding first-party audience lists, changing your keyword match type to broad match, using dynamic search ads, and adding new keywords. For more step-by-step videos on Google Ads implementation and optimization, check out Google Ads tutorials. If you have any questions or for more information, please visit Google Ads Help.